An automotive battery tester is an essential tool for any car owner or mechanic. It allows you to check the health and charge level of your car battery. This helps you avoid unexpected breakdowns and ensures your vehicle starts reliably. Battery testers come in various forms, from simple voltage meters to sophisticated diagnostic tools. Understanding the basics of battery testers empowers you to maintain your car's electrical system effectively. Knowing how to use one can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a seasoned mechanic, a quality battery tester is an invaluable asset. Your car battery is the heart of its electrical system. It's the unsung hero that ensures your vehicle starts and runs smoothly every day. It provides the initial power surge needed to start the engine, igniting the combustion process that gets your car moving. A healthy battery is crucial for the smooth operation of various components, including the lights, radio, and power windows. These features rely on a steady and reliable power source to function properly. Regular battery testing allows you to catch potential issues early on, identify a weak battery before it fails completely, saving you from the inconvenience of a car that won't start. This prevents unexpected breakdowns and ensures you're not stranded with a dead battery. Imagine being stuck in the middle of nowhere with no help in sight. Monitor battery health over time to track its performance and longevity. This proactive approach helps you plan for maintenance and replacements. This helps you anticipate when a replacement might be necessary, avoiding potential starting issues. Diagnose charging system problems that could affect battery life. A battery tester can reveal issues with the alternator or voltage regulator, preventing premature battery failure. These components are essential for keeping your battery charged and your car running. Neglecting your car battery can lead to inconvenient breakdowns and costly repairs. Regular testing is a small investment that can save you a lot of trouble. Regular testing helps you stay ahead of potential problems and keep your car running smoothly. It's a simple step that ensures peace of mind and reliability on the road. Automotive battery testers come in a range of designs to suit different needs and budgets. Some common types include analog voltmeters, digital multimeters, load testers, and electronic battery testers. Each type has its own unique features and benefits, making it important to understand their differences. Analog voltmeters. These basic testers display the battery voltage using a needle and scale. While affordable, they provide limited information about battery health. They are best suited for quick checks to see if the battery has a charge, but they won't tell you much about the overall condition of the battery. Digital multimeters. More versatile than analog meters, digital multimeters measure voltage, current, and resistance. They offer greater accuracy and are suitable for various electrical tests. These devices are not only useful for testing car batteries but can also be used for a wide range of electrical troubleshooting tasks around the home or workshop. Load testers. These testers apply a load to the battery, simulating the strain of starting the engine. They provide a more accurate assessment of the battery's ability to deliver power under stress. This makes them particularly useful for diagnosing issues with starting the vehicle, as they can reveal weaknesses that other testers might miss. Electronic battery testers. These sophisticated testers offer advanced features like conductance testing and battery capacity analysis. They provide comprehensive insights into battery health and performance. With their ability to give detailed reports, they are ideal for professional mechanics and serious car enthusiasts who want to keep a close eye on their battery's condition. Choosing the right battery tester depends on your specific needs and budget. For basic checks, a simple voltmeter or multimeter might suffice. For more in-depth analysis, an electronic tester or load tester is recommended. It's important to consider how often you'll be using the tester and what kind of information you need. Whether you're a casual car owner or a professional mechanic, there's a battery tester out there that's perfect for you. Basic voltage testers, like analog voltmeters, are affordable and easy to use. They provide a quick indication of the battery's voltage level. However, they don't offer insights into the battery's ability to hold a charge or deliver power under load. Advanced diagnostic testers, such as electronic battery testers and load testers, provide a more comprehensive analysis of battery health. They can measure cranking amps, internal resistance, and other critical parameters. These testers can also detect issues with the battery's charging system, such as a faulty alternator. While advanced testers offer more detailed information, they are typically more expensive than basic models. Choosing the right tester depends on your budget, skill level, and the level of detail you require. Section 5. Using a battery tester, a step-by-step guide. Using a battery tester is a straightforward process. However, it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure accurate results and maintain safety. Here's a step-by-step guide to using a basic digital multimeter to check your car battery voltage. Step 1. Safety first. Wear safety glasses to protect your eyes from potential sparks or battery acid. Safety should always be your top priority when working with car batteries. Ensure the engine is off and the ignition key is removed. This prevents any accidental electrical surges that could cause harm or damage. Locate the positive and negative terminals on your car battery. The positive terminal is usually marked with a plus sign and the negative with a minus sign. Step 2. Connecting the multimeter. Set your multimeter to the DC voltage setting, usually denoted by a V with a straight line above it. This setting is crucial for measuring the voltage of your car battery accurately. Connect the red probe of the multimeter to the positive terminal of the battery. Make sure the connection is secure to get an accurate reading. Connect the black probe of the multimeter to the negative terminal of the battery. Again, ensure a firm connection to avoid any errors in the reading. Step 3. Taking the reading. Observe the reading on the multimeter display. This will tell you the current voltage of your car battery. A fully charged battery should read around 12.6 volts. This indicates that your battery is in good condition and ready for use. A reading below 12.4 volts indicates a partially discharged battery. This means your battery might need charging soon. A reading below 12 volts suggests a significantly discharged or faulty battery. In this case, you should consider recharging or replacing the battery. Remember that this is a simplified guide for using a basic multimeter. There are more advanced tools and techniques available for in-depth battery diagnostics. Always refer to the manufacturer's instructions for your specific battery tester model. This ensures you are using the device correctly and safely. Reading the results from your battery tester is crucial for understanding your battery's health. Here's a general guideline. 12.6 volts or higher means your battery is fully charged and in good condition. If it's between 12.4 and 12.6 volts, your battery is partially discharged but likely still functional. You might want to consider charging it. Readings from 12.0 to 12.4 volts indicate your battery is significantly discharged and may require charging or replacement. If it's below 12 volts, your battery is deeply discharged or faulty and likely requires replacement. It's important to note that these are general guidelines. Factors like temperature and battery age can affect the readings. Always refer to your battery manufacturer's recommendations for specific voltage thresholds. Even with careful execution, battery testing can sometimes yield inaccurate results. Here are some common errors and troubleshooting tips. If you get fluctuating readings, ensure the multimeter probes are securely connected to the battery terminals. Clean any corrosion from the terminals for a better connection. For abnormally low voltage readings, check for any loose battery connections or corroded terminals. If the connections are secure, the battery may be nearing the end of its life and require replacement. A high voltage reading above 13 volts could indicate a problem with the vehicle's charging system, such as a faulty voltage regulator. Have the charging system inspected by a qualified mechanic. If you encounter persistent issues or receive inconsistent readings, it's best to consult a qualified mechanic for further diagnosis and assistance. If your battery tester provides unclear readings or if you suspect a problem despite normal readings, don't ignore it. Here are some steps to take. Retest the battery. Double-check your connections and repeat the test to rule out any user errors. Inspect the battery. Look for any physical damage, leaks, or excessive swelling. Check the battery terminals. Ensure they are clean, tight, and free of corrosion. Consult a professional. If you're still unsure, take your car to a qualified mechanic for a thorough battery and charging system inspection. Addressing potential battery problems promptly can prevent unexpected breakdowns and extend the life of your battery. Mastering the use of automotive battery testers is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's electrical system and avoiding unexpected breakdowns. By understanding the different types of testers following proper testing procedures and interpreting the results accurately, you can ensure your car battery remains in top condition. Remember, a little preventative maintenance goes a long way. Regular battery testing, along with proper care and maintenance, can save you time, money, and frustration in the long run. Don't wait for a dead battery to leave you stranded. Take control of your vehicle's health and invest in a quality battery tester today.